Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today is May Day. International Workers' Day is celebrated on May 1 in most countries of the world to show solidarity with the workers of Chicago. This World Day is being celebrated for 138 years, but the condition of worker has not changed yet. What is the benefit of celebrating this day? Today is a holiday, but in severe economic conditions, there is no holiday for the workers. You are able and just, but in your place, these are very bitter times of labor. है तू कादिर आदिल है मगर तेरे जहां में है तल्ख बहुत बंदाए मजदूर के औकात. Their condition have not changed, nor will they change. Neither the communal system nor the capitalist system will change these conditions, but the key to changing this system is the Islamic system. Goodbye all the viewers, best wishes, goodbye.